Hello, Akash. Okay, you have another tuition at 6. Okay, let me confirm.
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Good. Okay. So let's start by a question. Does anyone have any doubt from the previous classes? Any doubts? No. Okay. So let's start with the question. All right. So that we can revise.
Sir, actually, this is my first class.
Uh, okay. This is your first class. I thought some other students is by this name. Okay. We are doing the chapter sequencing series. Mohammed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have two Mohammeds. So what should I call you? Mohammed?
So you can call me Ahtisham.
Atisha. All right. Atisha. So we are doing the chapter sequencing series, and we are almost done with the chapter. If you had come in the last class, I did revise it all. But don't worry, you'll get all the notes, and even after the notes you don't understand, then we'll take your class. All right. Don't
Yes,
worry
sir.
about that. Okay. So you must know the basic formulas of arithmetic progression, right? You studied in class 10
Yes,
two
sir.
formulas.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. Using that, this question is to be solved. All right. Write down a question. The sum of n terms of an AP is the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n. All right. And its mth term is 164. Find the value of m. All right. Write down the formulas and see if you can solve this. All right. I'll give you a few minutes for this.
So is the answer correct? What I've sent in the chat box?
All right, let's see. Anybody else? Does anyone else has the answer? Okay, Khalil and Atias has completely different answer. Let's see who is right. All right. Anyone else? Mohammed, Aline, Akash. You don't have answers.
Sir, I'm trying to solve.
Okay, I'll give you a few more minutes to solve it.
So I can't get it.
You can't
Is-
get it. All
yeah.
right. Don't worry. We'll try to solve it. Okay, let's discuss. I think we have enough time now. Okay, Khalil, tell me, what is the first step you did?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
First, we take S1 is equal to, we substitute instead of n, we put 1. 3,
Right.
1 square plus 5n, 5, 1.
So this will be 8. All right. Is everyone clear about this step?
Yes,
Why
sir.
we did this? Yeah.
Sir, I
See.
don't.
Yeah. See, they have given sum of n terms, right? What is the sum means? You must know this formula, right? Right. This
Yes,
is
sir.
the sum of first term. What this means is, if I have more numbers, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on till n terms, this sum equals to this, right? And they are saying we have a sum that is equals to this, and n is the any random number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can put the different values of n and try to find the summation of the series, right? If I put the value of n as 5, what does that give me? That will give me the value of sum of first 5 terms, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I put n equals to 1, that means I'll get the first term.
Okay, sir.
Are we clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's just a little bit trick, right? Not very much math,
Yes,
but
yes, sir, yes.
in Hindi it's called jugaad, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we did that only. We found the first term. Now we can try to find the second term also, s2, and that will be 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2, and this is 12 plus 10, that is 22. Now you can find the difference also, second
Yes.
minus, right?
Yes, sir.
So you will find the second term.
Yes.
After that, you find the difference. You have a and d. You can find the value of m, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me the answer now. The second term will be a2 will be this minus this.
Sir, 16.
14.
14, sir.
This is 8, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So first term is 8, second term is 14. That means difference is 6. Right? Difference is 6. a2 minus s1, this is a1 also. So a2 minus a1 will get t. So a2 is 14, a1 is 8,
16.
we have 6. All right. Now they have given mth term. That means am formula is a plus m minus 1 into d. All right. This is 164. We have value of a as 8, m minus 1 into 6. You can solve this. This is m minus 1 into 6 equals to 164 minus 8. All right. Now m minus 1 into equal. This is
156.
156 upon 6. Is this divisible? Yes, I guess. 3 and 6. So m equals to,
So how 3? 3 6 are 18.
oh sorry, this is 2.
2 2.
Yeah, my bad. This is 2. So
6 2s are
Khalil was, yeah,
46.
Khalil was,
7 are 27. 6 2s
yeah,
are
this
12,
is,
yeah, 46. Yeah,
yeah,
27.
this is 27. Here also changes. Yeah, this is 27. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So note, M is 28, right? 28, sir.
No, this is m minus 1, right?
156 by 6. 156 by 6 will be 27. So 27 plus 1, 28.
How are you getting 27? Say
6 2s are 12.
156.
And then 36.
Yeah.
Yeah, 36. I thought 46. Sir. Sorry. Sir.
No, that
Yeah.
isn't right. All right. So everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this was not a difficult question. You just had to think out of the box, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I think you're all clear. If you haven't written this, you can write this down also.
So can you move it a little up?
Yeah, wait. Yeah. No problem, Khalil. You are absolutely right. Okay, your answer was right. You can check the method also. Are we done?
So one
Yes.
second.
Okay.
So can you move it a little down? The last part. Thank you, sir.
Done. Done.
Write down another question. Let's solve this. If the sum of first p terms, right? If the sum of first p terms of an AP and sum of first q terms of an AP are equal, find the sum of first p plus q term. All right. Just write down the basic formula. Sum of first p terms, that means SP. Sum of first q terms, that means SQ. And sum of first p plus q terms is as p plus q. Just write the formula down and see if you can just do something about them. All right, I'll give you a few minutes for this. Clear about the question, everyone? All right.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Olivia. We're trying to solve this question. Please read it, note it down, and try to solve it. All right. You are late into this question.
Actually, I thought today is not any class. Sorry.
Okay, okay. No problem. Try to solve this. Okay. Khalil and Akash has already told. Okay, Akash, no issues. We'll discuss it now. Khalil has answered. Alvia, do you have answer?
Yes, sir. I sent you.
Okay. And Mohammed
So still doing.
doing. Okay. Left. Aline.
Sir, I can't find it. Can you help?
All right. See, let's discuss. This is a very easy question. All right. The first thing to do is. All right. See, they have given SP equals to SQ, right? SP equals to SQ. What does this mean? This means I can apply the formula. This is P by 2 into 2A P minus 1 into T equals to Q by 2 2A plus P minus 1 into T Q minus 1 into T. Any doubts? Okay, I guess not. This 2 and 2 is cancelled. You can multiply the brackets, open the brackets. This is 2AP plus P into P minus 1 into T, right? This is equals to 2AQ plus Q into Q minus 1 into D. I can again open this brackets. So 2AP plus P square D minus PT equals to 2AQ plus Q square D minus QT. Are we clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take everyone to one side. All right. Bring everyone to one side. So this is 2AP minus 2AQ plus P square D minus Q square D minus PD plus QT equals to 0, right? I wrote down this and this together, this and this together, this and this together. All right. Now I can take 2A common here. So 2A P minus Q. And from here I can take D common. So plus D into P square minus Q square. And from here also I can take minus D common. So minus D P minus Q equals to 0. Now see, this is P square minus Q square. The formula is P minus Q into P plus Q. So I can take common P minus Q from each term, right? So P minus Q into here, after P minus Q is gone, we have 2A here, D into P plus Q, right? And here minus D equals to 0. And this is nothing but this is P minus Q into 2A. Taking D common here, P plus Q minus 1 equals to 0. So we have 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D equals to 0. Everyone is clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Akarsh?
No, sir.
Okay. So when finding out the formula, the S P plus Q, what will we write? This is P plus Q by 2 into 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D, right? The formula, we will write N equals to P plus Q. And the value of this is 0. So the answer of this is 0. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear? Absolutely clear? No doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it down then. If anybody wants to write it down, then inform me, all right, when you're done.
Sir, what happened to this P minus Q? Did you send it the other side? So it became P plus Q, something like that?
No, P minus Q when sent to the other side becomes 0, right? 0 upon P
Yeah.
minus Q is 0.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Done, sir.
All right.
So 1 second, sir.
Okay. All right, done.
So 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you show a little bit of
Okay, are we done?
Sure.
All right. Write down EM arithmetic mean. Okay.
Sir, can you
This is
show the
very
last part?
okay. Okay, last part you want to see. Is it okay?
Sir, done, sir.
Yeah. Arithmetic mean. Okay. What is arithmetic mean? If you have two numbers, A and B, right? The arithmetic mean AM will be A plus B upon 2. Very simple. It doesn't have to be AP. Two numbers doesn't have to be AP, or every two numbers are in AP, right? Take whatever number you want. So to find the arithmetic mean between them, just add them and divide by 2. All right. What does this mean? Arithmetic mean is the number if you put between them, then this becomes an AP. All right. All right. So they are not going to ask to find arithmetic mean. They are going to ask insert 5 or 6 numbers between A and B such that they are an AP. They will frame the question like that. All right. So use this formula. I have already told the formula in the previous classes, but for the new students, use this formula. D equals to B minus A upon N plus 1. Write this formula down. This is the common difference. All right. D equals to B minus A upon N plus 1, where B is the last term, A is the first term, N is the number of terms you have to put. All right. Let's solve a question, then you will be clear. Did everyone write it down? Okay.
Yes.
Insert 7 numbers between 1 and 65 so that the resulting sequence is an AP. All right. Write this question down. They are asking, this is 1, this is 65. They are saying insert 7 numbers between them so that this whole sequence becomes an AP. All right. This we have to solve. All right. Note it down, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the formula I told you is D equals to B minus A upon N plus 1. The value of B here is 65, the second term, minus 1 upon N is 7. We have to insert 7 numbers, right? So 7 plus 1. So this is 64 upon 8. This is 8. So what is 8? 8 is the difference, common difference. All right. So the sequence will be 1 and the difference is 8. That means 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Like this. Add 8. All right. These are the 6 numbers or 7 numbers we can put in so that the whole sequence is an AP, right? This is an AP. 9 minus 1 is 8, 17 minus 9 is 8. All right. Clear about the question?
Yes.
And how to use the formula also?
So p minus a by n plus 1.
Right. And where to use, how to use, everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's write down another question. Let's see if you can solve this. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that resulting sequence is an AP. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Solve. Aline, you have answered 3. What is 3? Yeah, and the 5 numbers will be, okay,
So just,
write it down.
so just a doubt. What we take as n?
N is the number of terms you have to insert. 5 is the N.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. All right. Absolutely clear. Khalil is right. Aline is also right. Solve it. Very easy question, right? Yes. So how to solve this? We have D equals to B minus A upon N plus 1, and that is 26 minus 8 upon 6. So this is 18 upon 6. So 3. So the answer will be 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, and so on till 26. All right. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is arithmetic mean. Now write geometric mean. All right. Atisha, do you know what geometric mean is? Geometric series is?
Or actually no.
Okay. Any sequence where the ratio is common. All right. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, like this. See, 2 upon 1 is 2, 4 upon 2 is 2, 8 upon 4 is 2, like this.
Yes.
Right?
Sir. The ratio should be common.
Yeah, and the ratio we find by like this, 16 upon 8, never 8 upon 16. All right. Same as AP. The number divided by its preceding terms, right? Not after.
Yes, sir.
There are 2 formulas. General formula is this: A r raised to the power n minus 1, like AP. All right, same thing. R is the common ratio, and summation is A into r n minus 1 upon r minus 1. All right,
Yes.
rest is same. All right. Now, geometric mean.
So can you show the formula one more time?
All right.
So is that AN is equal to AR plus, or
Yeah,
what is
A n equals to A. Let me erase it. All right. A r raised to the power n minus 1.
okay, sir.
R is the, yeah, R is the common ratio. In AP, we learn common difference. In GP, it is the common ratio. All right.
Yes, sir.
So geometric mean. Geometric mean, how to find between two numbers A and B. Geometric mean equals to under root AB. Very simple. All right. And what is geometric mean? A number that we can insert between A and B so that this will be a GP. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now also they are not going to ask you what is the geometric mean. They are going to ask you insert 6 numbers between this and this so that the resulting sequence is an GP. The formula here you need to use is R equals to B by A to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. All right. This is 1 upon n plus 1.
Sir, can you just go a bit up, little up, the formula?
All right. This formula you want to see?
Yes, yes, sir. Just you got to note it down. Just right.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
And don't worry if you forget anything in notes, you will get all the notes, class notes. All right. The same class notes will be provided. So don't worry about it if you miss anything.
Done, sir.
Okay. Write this formula down. Very important.
It's 1 by n plus n, right?
Yeah. 1 by 1 n plus n. So n plus 1. So write down the question.
Sir, B is the last term and A is the first term, right?
Yeah. B is the last term. A is the first term. All right. Insert 2 terms, 1 term. Make it 3 terms. Insert 3 terms between 1 and 625 so that resulting sequence is a GP. All right. Let's solve this. Here n is 3, A is 1, B is 625. So we'll use the formula R equals to P by A raised to the power 1 upon n plus 1. B is 625. A is 1 and 1 upon 3 terms. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right. So this is equals to 625 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Can anybody tell me what this is?
Sir, 5.
Answer.
We can do 5, 5 rest to power 4, then we can cancel it.
Yeah, absolutely right. So R equals to 5.
Yes.
Clear? So the resulting sequence will be 1, 5, 25. After that, 125. And this is 625. All right. These are the 3 numbers. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. No issues?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Please note it down. Anybody who hasn't? All right. Write down a question. Find the value of n you cannot use phone just because this is an online class. All right.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Find the value of n so that a n plus 1 plus b n raised to n plus 1 upon this is the geometric mean between a and b. All right. This is a bit tricky question, so I'll solve this. Write this question down first. All right. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if two numbers are a and b, then the geometric mean is under root ab. We know this, right?
Yes, sir.
But in the question, they are saying that find the value of n so that this is the geometric mean, right? So the
Yes.
first thing we should do is a raised to the power n plus 1, b raised to the power n plus 1 upon a raised to the power n, b raised to the n equals to under root ab. This is what they are asking, right?
Yes.
And this is eb to the power half, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
now I can cross multiply this to this side. So I will get a raised to the power n plus 1 plus b raised to the power n plus 1 equals to ab raised to the power half into an plus bn. All right. We can open these brackets. We'll have equals to, if we multiply this will have an a raised to the power half b raised to the power half plus bn a raised to the power half b raised to the power half, right? I just open these brackets. This is a raised to the half and b raised to the half into this plus this into this. Clear? Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take this to this side because we want a terms in this side, right? This is a raised to n, this is a raised to n minus n plus 1. So take this to one side and take this to other side. So we'll have a raised to the power n plus 1 minus an a raised to the power half b raised to the half equals to this minus, all right? And a raised to the power n plus 1 is nothing but a raised to the power n into a. Rest is the same. Here also, this is b raised to the power n into b. Clear? Everyone is clear? Yeah. Now I can take a raised to the power n common from these two. So I will get a raised to the power n brackets. This is gone. So a minus this is gone. So a raised to the power half b raised to the power half. I can take common b raised to the power n here. I'll have a raised to the power half b raised to the power half minus b. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now see, we can write this a as a raised to the power half into a raised to the power half. No doubts.
Yes.
And same with b raised to the power half and b raised to the half.
Yes. Sir.
Again, I can take common a raised to the power half here. So we'll have right from here. Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now I can cancel this out. This and this is cancelled. Right. And this is e raised to the power n plus half equals to b raised to the power n plus half. Right.
Yes. Sir.
Now I can divide this to this side. Is that clear?
Yes. Sir.
So this is a upon b raised to the power n plus half equals to 1. So the value of this, I can write this is as 0. A by b raised to the power 0, right? Because anything to the power 0 is 1.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Uh,
So now I can pair both sides and I can write n plus half is 0. So n equals to minus half. This is the answer. Clear about this? Are we clear about this?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last step is clear, right? Anything to the power 0 is 1. So we
Yeah.
can take the power as 0. All right. This is very crucial step.
Yes.
Okay. Note it down.
Sir, can you go
Mhm. Yeah. You have any doubt or you want to note it down?
note it down?
All right. Here it starts.
Can you scroll it down?
Everyone done this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you scroll it little bit down?
So in the last line there, a raised to 1 by 2 into b raised to 1 by 2 minus b raised to 1 by 2. And what is that? That last one, b raised to?
This
Yeah.
this is b raised to the power half into b raised to the power half.
Oh, okay.
Sir, down.
Done, sir.
Sir, up, 1 minute. Sir, done.
Little bit more up.
So can you show the answer to the last part? Okay, sir.
Answer.
Okay. Write down relationship between EM and GM. All right. We know that A equals to A plus B by 2. Let's call it the G. G equals to under root AB. So can I write A minus G equals to A plus B by 2 minus under root AB? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So A minus G equals to, I can take LCM here. This is A plus B minus 2 under root AB on 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is also anybody has any doubts? I can write A as under root A square, right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is under root A square plus under root B square minus 2 under root A under root B. Is this A minus B whole square?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Everyone is clear?
So,
So see, this is a positive quantity always, right? Under root A minus under root B square is minimum value is 0 when under root A equals to under root B, right? Otherwise, it will just be positive because the square is there. Am I clear?
So can you come again?
Sir.
Okay, see. Three minus anything x, suppose.
Yeah.
If I write whole square, will this ever be negative? Can you tell me any value of x where 3 minus x whole square will be negative? See,
No, sir, it will
A
positive.
minus,
Sorry, sir. It will positive.
yeah, it will always be positive, right? 3
Sir.
minus x can be negative, but the whole square makes it positive,
Yes, sir.
right? The minimum value here will be 0 when x is equals to 3. Otherwise, it will always be a positive quantity. Am I
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So can I write this as A minus G is always greater than equals to 0 because this is always greater than equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
So A is always greater than equals to G. Write this down. What this means is, please note it down. After that, I'll tell. Note it down. All right.
Sir, how is root of A equal to root of B?
Which part? This part? Okay, see. If I take under root A as P and under root B is Q, this is P square plus Q square minus 2 into P into Q, right? 2AB. See, P minus Q whole square is P square plus Q square minus 2PQ. This is the same formula, right? Under root A minus under root P whole square will be this.
Sir.
All right.
Sure.
Okay. Done noting down?
But how root of A is equal to root of B?
No, this I'm saying the minimum value of this. This is just I was explaining. Don't write this. This I was explaining when this will be equal to 0. When under root A and under root B are equal, then this will be 0. Otherwise, this is positive. All right.
Sir.
They are not equal. All right.
Okay.
But if they are equal, then this will become 0.
Yes.
Okay. Note it down.
So just a doubt here. A minus G is greater than 0. Then how did you write A is greater than G?
I can take G this side, right?
Yeah. So it will become
Okay.
positive. A is
Yeah.
greater.
All right. Clear, everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Noted down completely.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay. See what this means. What is the significance of this? This means that if you have any numbers, any two numbers in this world, 2 and 3, 2 and 3000, it doesn't matter. The arithmetic mean, that means 2 plus 3000 upon 2, will always be greater than or equals to 2 into 3000 under root. Right? Because this was the arithmetic mean and this is the geometric mean. Clear? The arithmetic mean between any two numbers is always greater or equals to the geometric mean. All right. Okay. Let's do a few questions then. Yes, Akash, or you can just see one question. After that, you
Okay,
can
sir.
see,
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
or let me just tell you the concept. Or like the questions we can do in the next class also.
Okay, sir.
Write down nth term of an AP from the end. Right. Nth term of an AP from the end. What this means is if they ask you something different, that tell me the fifth term from the end. All right. They are not asking from the beginning. They are asking from the end.
You have to go from backwards.
Yeah, backwards. So the formula you are going to use, write down nth term from end equals to a plus m minus 1 into b. M is the total number of terms. Write this formula down. All right.
Yes, sir.
I told you the sum of infinite GP also. or I will do that in the next class.
So
Write down a
so
question,
m is the
Hmm.
total what? Total
number of terms.
number of
Right.
okay.
All right. Yeah. Write down a question. Akash, you can leave now if you want, or you can
Okay.
see the question also.
So the class already started. Is it fine if I leave now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Write down a question. If A and G be arithmetic mean and geometric mean between two positive numbers, prove that numbers are A plus minus. Okay, try to solve this. I'll give you a hint to solve this. Take the numbers as A and B, write down their arithmetic mean and geometric mean, equate them with A and G, try to simplify. All right, find the value of small a and b. We'll get the answer. All right, I'll give you a few minutes to solve this. After that, we'll discuss. All right. Everyone clear about the question? Etisha, Alfia, Khalil. Okay, try to solve it. Clear? Done? Anyone? Did anyone try to solve this and is successful? Am I audible, guys? Okay, Khalil is saying yes. Okay, let's discuss this. Suppose the numbers were a and b. All right, we know that arithmetic mean is they have given a, capital A. This is a plus b by 2, and they have said that g equals to under root ab. So I can write g square as ab. Right, this is the first equation we have. From here I can write a plus b equals to 2a. This is the second equation we have. All right, clear? Does anyone know this formula? A minus b whole square is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Does anyone know this?
Sir, no, sir. A plus b square minus 4ab. No, sir.
No. Try to solve this here. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. This is a plus a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is a minus b whole square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now to find a minus b whole square, I can put the value of a plus b as 2a from this equation, equation 1. This is equation 2, suppose. And this is 4ab, so 4g square. Clear? All right. So we have a minus b whole square as 4a square minus 4g square. All right. So a minus b is 4a square minus 4g square under here. Everybody clear? From here we can write a plus b as 2a, a minus b as under root 4a square minus 4g square. If I subtract this or add this simply, plus b and minus b is cancelled. We have 2a equals to, this is 2a plus under root 4a square minus 4g square. See, this 4 I can take common, and out of the under root this will be 2, right? So 2a equals to 2 capital A plus 2 into under root a square minus g square. I can cancel this 2 out from all the sides. So a equals to capital A plus under root a square minus g square. Are we clear? Everyone is clear? Okay, Aline is clear. Khalil, Alvia, Atisha.
Sir, can you go up?
No, don't note it down. Do you have any doubts? Don't note it down yet.
No,
Okay, I'll
sir.
give you. Okay, I'll give you proper time to note it down. All right. Aline, are we clear now, or do you
Sir.
not get? Okay. So we have a equals to this. Now I can write a plus b is 2 capital A. So b equals to 2a minus small a. So 2a minus capital A plus under root A square minus G square. So this is 2A minus A minus A square minus G square. So this is A minus under root A square minus G square. All right. And see, A, small a here is A. Under root A square minus G square, I can write A minus G, A plus C. Here also I can write that. So these are the two numbers. This is what we have to prove, right? You can check. All right.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear? Any doubts and any step? No.
No,
Okay,
sir.
note it down. Okay, note it down then.
Can you go?
Note it down.
Can you go a little more? Sir, after A minus B root 4A square minus 4B square, what is it?
Which point? This point?
Yeah, after that.
After that, okay. This is down.
No, sir.
Yeah.
After left side, A minus B root 4A square minus 4B square. After that, where what is it?
Yeah, after this, this is the error, right? This step. I wrote A plus B equals to 2A. A minus B equals to that. I added them. Okay, this is solving the simultaneous equation, right? I did in class 10 also. We have A plus B equals to 2A. A minus B equals to under root 4A square minus 4G square. If I add them and plus B and minus B is cancelled, I have 2A equals to 2A plus this, right? All right. Okay, note it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone done, right? Write down a question. Okay, not done. Please be quick. You have to solve another question. All right.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you scroll down? Sir, can you show? Sir, can you scroll down?
Okay. This is the end. All right. Of this question.
Sir, done.
All right. Write down the question. Everyone. Determine the number of terms in the AP 3, 7, 11, 407. Also, find the twentieth term from the end. All right. I'll give you a few minutes to solve this. The same formula you're going to use, just I told you a few minutes back.
So is the answer correct? What is in the chat box?
Oh, then let's see. Let's discuss. What is the number of terms? We can find that out by
102.
102 also.
A
This is-
plus n minus 1d.
Yeah, 3 plus n minus 1 into 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is
407 minus 3. That will become 404.
yeah.
404 by 4, then 101.
N equals to 102. Absolutely right.
Then
And the other
3 plus 102 minus 20.
right. So we have to find 28th term from the end, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula?
A plus m minus 1d.
T, right? And the value of m here is 102, n is 20.
Yes. And d is 4 and d is 3.
Yeah. So a is 3 plus 102 minus 20, and d was 4. So you can solve this.
3 plus
How much is-
82 into 4.
Yeah. All right. This is 328, 331. Yeah. Absolutely right. Atisha, Khalil, and who answered this? Aline also answered, I guess. You are getting 339 multiplication error, Aline. All right. Everybody clear about this question? Okay. No response. Alvia, are we clear about this
Yes, sir,
question?
please. Yes, sir.
Okay. And Alvia, you are listening? Oh, not. Atisha is clear. Okay then.
Yes, done, sir.
Okay. This chapter is finished. All right. Please try to solve NCERT questions also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And ask me any doubts in the next class. All right.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay then. See you in the next
Yes,
class.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.